Meizu 17. Meizu 17 is an upper mid-range device that comes with admirable features, although lacks a few specs like waterproof technology or wireless charging support considering the budget. On the other side, it has a very good processing front, great set of camera and battery capacity. There is an ample amount of battery capacity that can deal with 1 day of power backup. Overall, it is one of the best devices to buy in this range. Great smartphone display and camera. Meizu 17 comes with a 6.2-inch display having thin bezels on sides. It has a screen resolution of 1080 by 2232 pixels along with a pixel density of 400 ppi. The device can offer very good visual experience over its large and broad screen. For the camera, there is a pair of 20MP plus 12MP dual rear lenses having a number of features such as digital zoom, auto flash, face detection, touch to focus, etc. The front camera is provided with a 20MP lens, which can capture sharp and bright pictures. Configuration and battery. Meizu 17 is equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset and an octa-core 2.84 GHz single-core, 2.42 GHz tri-core, 1.8 GHz quad-core, Cryo 485 processor. It is coupled with an Adreno 640 GPU along with a 6 GB RAM that together ensure lag-free gaming and multitasking. For power backup, there is a Li-ion battery with 4000 mAh capacity. It ensures that the users are active all day long without any issue. It also gets fast charging support to refill the battery with convenience. Storage and connectivity. Meizu 17 houses an internal memory of 128 GB which cannot be expanded since there is no memory slot. As for connectivity, the device has 4G VoLTE support, Wi-Fi 802.11 B/N, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, GLONASS, NFC, USB Type-C, etc. Meizu 17 price. Meizu 17 price is expected to be $488.39, 35,999 rupees. Meizu 17 expected to be launched on April 7, 2020. This is 6 GB RAM, 128 GB internal storage base variant of Meizu 17 which is expected to available in black, gold color. For more updates subscribe and share this video.